Now I don't have to buy ferns anymore. This plant sitting for my uncle a few years back. He had a couple ferns that he wanted to overwinter in the greenhouse. And before he came to pick them up, they were outside and we had a big windstorm. Well, plant fell down, busted. I just took a couple small pieces off because the pot that he had his in was bigger than the ones that I had. So I cut it up a couple times. Made a couple more plants out of it. Now I don't have to buy ferns anymore. You just pot them up in whatever container you want. Add your preferred potting soil. I'm using Pro Mix, but it doesn't have to be that. It can be just about anything. Water them thoroughly. If they've got any old haggard stems, just break them right off. Keep them nice and moist, and over the course of the season they'll fill out. You've got ferns for life. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe, and share it. It'd be great. Thanks for watching.